Hey everyone, yes, it's day 6 already. It's day 6 already. It's Mama Does Nails. Welcome to the channel. It's Christmas nearly. We have been unboxing the Madam Glam advent calendar for this year, and oh wow, for all of you that's joined me literally from day 1, thank you so much. And now look guys, we are on day 6. Let's see what day 6 is about. Day 5, we've got an amazing pudding gel. Day 4, we got the lamp. Day 3, we got that beautiful color. One-way ticket, I think it was. I'm sure it was. Day 2, we had the no wipe top coat. Day 1, we had base coat. And day 6 today, we have a mini. And it's okay, there's the name there, MG Airlines. That's it, that's what I love, MG Airlines. This is taking you away. So of course we will get our trusted swatch stick. There is our swatch stick to hand. Oh, don't want to drop that. And this is a mini. The minis are so cute, really good for traveling. And oh, look at this. This color is gorgeous. Oh wow, I'm loving this. Ooh. Now I'm just gonna swatch this, but I have this now and I have the pudding gel. It's gonna be time to literally do a little set. I need to talk to my sisters, like, what's up? This is a beautiful color. It's almost like salmon. All right, you go in the lamp and cook. I love that color. MG Airlines, yes, number 6. That is gorgeous. Woo. Okay, so that's in the lamp. What should we do? No wipe top coat, matte top coat? Ooh, I don't know. But I'm not wasting that no white top coat. We've already swatched that, so maybe we can put more matte top coat on it. Oh my gosh, I can see that color in the lamp. It's stunning. It's definitely giving me like a salmon pink vibe. Wow, Madam Glam, just when I think, you know, like, gosh, I don't even know what I want to say. It's just, I've not seen two same colors. You know, nothing that seems like it was literally diluted with milk. White, black, you know, gorgeous. I can't even wait for that lamp. Okay, so let me show you this color. Now I need to see this in matte. Woo! This looks stunning for my skin tone too. Sorry, just saying. Okay, so we're gonna put some sparkly rain on there. I know it's got bits in it, but we can still see the matte fantasy. Ooh. This is going to be a nice color, definitely very salmon. So let's put that in the lamp, and while that's in the lamp, I need to see what is in day 6, because they've been giving me literally the same thing every 3 days. So there we are. This is day 6. Let's see. Oh, what do you know? Another grey candle. Yeah, it smells the same. It smells the same. But I'm okay with that. I'm absolutely fine with that because they smell divine. Oh wow, look. This is matching my table. Okay, so that was day 6 and that smells gorgeous. I'm still burning day 1. Like every day I'll come on, I'm just turning it on, and ooh, it just smells cozy. Does that make sense? That warm, that cozy like feeling, that's all I'm getting from that candle. It's beautiful. And I love the fact that it's in a nice holder. It's not in like the silver stuff. It's a see-through. Oh my day. Look. How freaking stunning is that color? MG Airlines. Yes, very salmon. Love it. All right, look, we could be here for all day. I could swatch that again. That colour is beautiful. Love it. Oh my gosh. Day 6, you have me weak. Please stay tuned for day 7. Have an amazing day. Mama Does Nails is out. Bye everyone.